Good afternoon. Yesterday, we have seen again fundamental issues on freedom to press. With the support of the observation of Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore. Today, again, I will start the lecture on the free press as a essential part of the mass media and law. Paper first of LLM second semester. With the very beautiful ideology of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What he said about the free press. He said that, I quote, I shall rather have a complete free press with all the dangers involved in the wrong of that freedom than a suppressed or regulated pass. Again, I quote, that first Prime Minister of India had said about the free press in India. He said that there should be a complete free press in democracy. Though in the system of free press, there is a danger, and there is the chances of misuse of this free press, of the freedom by the media. And that free pass to the media person is essential for the strengthening of democracy. It means, unquote, our leader in India was in the opinion that freedom of press should be guaranteed to the media. Though there is a danger in the guaranteeing of the free press, but this is essential in democracy. Why? In democracy, unless there will not be any criticism, and unless there will not be any system of any publication of the activities of the persons who have the responsibility to run the country, that democracy cannot be said a good democracy or a participatory democracy. A democracy where there is a scope for the betterment, it cannot be said. Therefore, they were in opinion that there should be the free press. So far the democracy is concerned, Again, I would like to quote E.M. E.M. Forrester. Forrester. What he said about the democracy. So far, the criticism of the function of democratic, responsible authorities, organs in a scenario, in a political system where there is a responsibility lies on the authorities and states organ. He said, M. Forrester said that two chairs for the democracy, there are two chairs. You can say there are two wheels of the democracy. One, because it admits variety. Variety means various kinds of opinion. The M. Forrester said that in democracy there are two directions, two wheels, two chairs, and these are, one is to admit the variety, various things, various kinds of the different, various kinds of the opinion, different opinion of the people, and the various kinds and different opinion of the political party. This is one in democracy. And two, number two, the second is it admits the variety, and two, because it permits the criticism. First is to admit the variety, various opinions. Second wheel or side of the coin in the democracy is permits the criticism. It permits the criticism, and that criticism it gives the new vistas for thinking, for expressing, for working, and for the new development in the democracy, criticism. And how the criticism is possible? Criticism is only possible by way of the free press. So that a person is sitting far away from the place where another person is sitting, B is sitting, and criticizing the functions of the powerful person who have the responsibility in democracy. That may be the government, or that may be the agency of the government. It means unless the press shall not perform the independent function and will not publish the basic functions of that society by the government, and the public will not aware about the activities of the responsible organ of the state. And when the public shall aware about the activities and functions, decisions, schemes and plans of the government, then certainly that will come in the knowledge of the society, or the party who is sitting in the opposition. And that party will analyze, assess, and criticize the functions of the another party who is in power. Then a new synthesis will come out, and the responsible organ will be alert. And when it will be alert, there will be limited chance for committing any kind of mistake. And that is the duty of only free press. Freedom of press is very essential in a democratic society to protect the rights of the people. And one of the rights of the people is dissenting right, critical analysis right, and to give some suggestions, to agree and disagree with the planning of the organ of the state. That is very essential. Because of the reason that in a democratic system, if there is a party system or multi-party system, everyone have the equal rights. One have as a majority to do the work. Another have, if that work or that function, that duty shall not be performed by the organ who have the power as per the law, especially by as per the provision of Constitution, the another will raise the issue, express the opinion, and create the political environment. And that political environment will generate the public opinion. And when there will be the public opinion, which is called the supremacy of the public in democracy, they will certainly decide the fate of the people's representative. They are supreme. That is the irasakasi, which is called the basically of the free press, use of free press. These are the two observations, and yesterday I have given the another two observation by quoting the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi and the Rabindranath Tagore. And today, again, the thoughts of two eminent jurists, or you can say the leader, about the free press and democracy. And then the point is that as it is your the matter which says that the first unit of the course, unit 1, point number 1, says that free film, radio, TV. Free, comma, film, radio, and television. If anyone will ask, forget the examination, because you are the LLM student. You have the capacity to analyze and understand. Examination is not a big trouble and big task before you. Whenever any question will be asked, quickly you will give the answer because of the wide and a very vast study of yours. Continuously you are studying. Then suppose one will ask, what do we mean by the press? Whenever we are thinking about the press, there are some issues, some points which requires to be highlighted. Number one, the meaning and the introduction of press. Then history and background of press. Functions of press. Introduction, meaning, background, functions, and then certainly press means only the use of that press for the publishing the newspaper or something else. So far the media is concerned, our paper and subject matter says that we are concerned about the press in the sense of or in the context of the use of printing press for publishing the information. Here the word is information, which includes the newspaper, books, and other materials. The meaning is thereby that the press means something is publishing on the another material for the information and awareness of the public or human being. If you will use the word the human being rather than the public, it will be appropriate word. And that appropriate word for all human being, not only the particular society where it is going to be published. If New York Times is publishing in the Washington DC, we have the use of that newspaper. If anything is publishing in a website, that have the use for the humankind. And the humankind includes the global society, press. Then when this press use the function as it is being used as present, if one will see the ancient system, there was the script, there was the method of writing, there was the language, there was the literature, and there were also the teachers and the student in different form. In India, it may be Bhojpatra, it may be the Pali, it may be Sanskrit, or in other countries, it may be the Latin language, it may be the Spanish language, it may be the French language, language or the other. Gradually it had developed. Method of awareness, method of information, and mode of dissemination in the different form was there. But a press which has came into the some special kind of the new form. This is the development of which we can search, we can see. One can go through the source that is available in the net. And this is the basically of 1476. The press which it is working. Today there is a digital press. Earlier there was the printing press. Before that there was the manual press. But press was there. Press means a mechanism, a system of printing on the another source that may be called either the paper or any other source, any other material. It is not necessary that there will be the only the material that is paper. It means the use of printing is, or use of the press is, to publish something in another part. And so that others may read it, study it, get the information, and use it for future as a literature, as a source of, in the civilized language, the education, material for the education. Education means to educate, to give the information, and to give some special kind of the awareness which was not in the mind, or the one was not aware that one. That is education. Doesn't mean only to go and attend. Whenever a person is getting the new information, and that new information includes the various things. Therefore, the 1476 is the year when the William Caxton had introduced the first English press for the purpose of publishing the newspaper. 1476. William Caxton had introduced in the Great Britain. History is there. It says that he has used the new mechanism, new scientific system for publishing something on some other material. That material you cannot say that only the paper. Paper is also that there is a invention. Converting the raw material, it may be in the ravis, into a special piece, maybe the different colors. But this 1476, there was efforts to invent and introduced in the Great Britain by the William Caxton, the first English press. Okay, then the question or the issue for your consideration. When the first paper has published, we are talking about the media, we are talking about the press, and we are talking at the same time free press, freedom of press. And if you will see the history of Great Britain about the free press and press, then we will get first newspaper in the Great Britain published in the early 16th century. Early 16th century. And that was the source of the media. Press was the source of media. We are talking about the 15th century, about the press. You have seen the 1476. We are searching the historical background of the scientific initial era. Initial scientific era, and that is the basically of the 16th century. Time is very short, and I'm very much worried about those students who are not serious. Don't take it casually. But time, I have no time indication has given. Only 40 minutes they are not sparing or listening the teacher. It means the student are thinking they are the better knowledge than the teachers. And if I will ask to present it, they will say, sir, we are not getting, we are facing problem, this and that. What ultimately they will do. But this has not, I have no time to say something to those the persons who are not the diligently working at their home. Now after that, the 1690, William Orange has also published the information source, and that was the regularly published the newspaper up to the 1709. Then of course before that also, as I have said, the 1476, the year of the original system as adopted in Great Britain by the William Caxton, and in between 1640 and from the 1476, 3000 newspapers published in the Great Britain. Historical aspect may be asked in the examination also. Don't worry about the examination. Examination is nothing for the LLM student. It is nothing. LLM student have the capacity. Whatever will be asked, that will be written by the student with the manner of the good knowledge because their study is very vast study. And then 3000 news, but there should be some attractive writing, attractive, informatory, a unique writing, so that the person who will read it will think, no, no, the student really deserves to get the appreciation. And the, as I have said, that the 1702 daily regular newspaper published in the Great Britain, and at that time, this daily newspaper, regular newspaper, name was the Courant. Courant, Courant, Courant. A systematic newspaper published in the Great Britain from the 1702. History says that about the media. And continuously 1709, Barrows Worcester, another paper. And before that also, if you will see, Cromwell paper, Worcester paper, the name of the papers of the Great Britain. If LLM student is writing the name of the papers which are publishing in India, these are common. Of course, it requires to quote these papers also, but at the same time, if we will give the new, not new information, a different information correlated with the Indian system, it is a good habit of the students to go on that area also, which has brought in our the political system, or which have the seeds of the particular issue. New information, new style of information. Information is not new, but style of information should be a new. That is there, that was. Then continuously the papers, various papers are publishing in the Great Britain. But there is one issue, as we are talking about the free press. But the issue is vice versa in another side. To regulate and to control this free system of the press. As I have indicated in my previous lectures, everywhere there is a law to regulate the behavior and the uncontrolled habit of the human being, either he may be the journalist, media person. Access is not allowed, or no permission of access beyond the law. Then enter into the another part, that is the film. The film is one of the tool and the source of information. It may not be real and practical life, may not be, but it have the some essential characteristics to aware the public relating to bad and good. Bad and good. in the society. Therefore, to motivate to the people to do the good works. This is also the another method and tool of awareness. And the history of the film again, that it is not a old history just like the press. It is the development of the 19th century, the last decade of the 19th century. And that was the year of 1895. In the Paris, on 28th December 1895, initially the efforts had been done to show some activities to by playing a role by the human being for the entertainment, for the information, for motivation, and for the awareness. And that was black and white. You are studying the media, and this is a course in PG. This in our mind, in our mind, there should be some new kind of